Health Check 10 now. It's one of the most common health conditions for millions of us.
Sinusitis is often treated with antibiotics, but when it becomes a chronic problem, surgery can be the answer. And now there's a new, kinder, gentler procedure, and it's being done at Memorial Hospital in Pawtucket. Health Check 10 reporter Barbara Moore-Silva reports.
For one solid year, Gina Washington suffered with sinusitis. It totally affected her life.
I couldn't smell, I couldn't taste, and I was getting bad migraine headaches. Right over my eyes was the worst.
In terms of healthcare cost, it costs the country a good $250 million to $300 million a year.
Dr. John Taro is an otolaryngologist at Memorial Hospital in Pawtucket. He explains sinusitis is an inflammation of the sinus passages.
When they get inflamed, the opening to the sinuses can get obstructed, and then mucus builds up in the sinus that gets infected, and it leads to pain, fevers, and the purulent yellow-green nasal discharge that a lot of patients will come into the office with.
Gina tried over-the-counter medications, was put on antibiotics. Nothing helped. Finally, she couldn't take it anymore and came to Memorial seeking help. And that's when she met Dr. Taro and learned about a new procedure for folks like her who have chronic sinusitis.
This new procedure is called balloon sinuplasty. It's quicker. The recovery is a lot quicker, a lot less pain, bleeding, a lot less potential for complications.
Here's how it works. A small cable is fed into the sinus.
And it's flexible so it can follow the natural pathways, which are not always straight. It goes right into the sinus, and then we put a balloon catheter over it, almost like angioplasty in the heart. And the balloon dilates up the opening to the sinus. We can even irrigate through this system as well and clean out any mucus within the sinus.
I was back up running around on the third day. I can smell, I can taste. It changed my life, actually.
Dr. Taro says long-term data shows balloon sinuplasty is very effective in opening the sinus passages, and for many people, it's permanent. For more on this new procedure, you can log on to turn10.com and click on Health. And that's Health Check. Barbara Moore-Silva, NBC 10 News.